Ever wondered what is an underground crossover for? With a crossover, trains can move more easily from one track to another in both directions. In the Aqua line, crossovers will ensure efficiency and contribute to comfortable commuter travel. It will result in faster commutes and increased ridership. Track installation work is progressing in fast pace and nearly 59% of the track has been laid. Come, take a peek into this adeptly engineered wonder. As per functional and design requirements, this scissor crossover is being used in the corridor. A scissor crossover is used to move train from one track to another. This can be done for safety reasons, operational reasons, emergencies, maintenance, or to maintain traffic on tracks. They are placed at terminal stations for operational and stabling requirement, and apart from this, they are approximately equidistantly placed throughout the alignment to enable changeover for the movement of train as per the ridership requirement. This engineering marvel is being constructed at Cuff Parade, CSMT, Acharya Atre Chowk, BKC, and Sahar Road. These have taken into consideration keeping safety of travel and also to cater for the mammoth crowd and satiate the fast-paced life of Mumbaikars.